guys, welcome back to my channel, The Candy's Hair Diary, and I would love to thank all of my new subscribers for subscribing to my channel. Today's video I will be doing a hair review about this Amella hair that I ordered off of Amazon. I got 3 bundles in the closure, and y'all, let me tell y'all, for 3 bundles in the closure, I paid maybe $147, I think. I'll go ahead and list the link below in my description box to let you guys know how much it was exactly. And you guys can check it out if you would like. So yeah, let's get more into this review. I got a 24-inch, a 22-inch, and a 20-inch with an 18-inch 3-part closure. And it came with this little hairnet, and it also came with some cute little dramatic lashes. I like lashes, but these are a little too long for me, so I probably will not be using these. But they cute though. They cute. And this is probably like, actually, this might be like my first time ordering hair off of Amazon. I had a client that ordered the curly hair, and when I tell y'all, that hair still does very well after 6 weeks. It's doing amazing. So yes, I ordered the body wave for this particular hair, and I was like, okay, ordering hair off of Amazon versus just going straight to the vendor site to order hair can be a little tricky and can be a little different, and also a little scary because you don't know what you're actually getting. So I wanted to do this hair review so y'all can actually unbox it with me, because I did not open this hair prior to me making this video. So I wanted y'all to unpackage it with me, just so y'all can see how I'm seeing. So looking at the closure, like I said, this is a 3-part. I was gonna get the free part, but I decided just to get 3-part closure, just to try something a little different. Like I said, I usually get the free part, but I went on ahead with this one. And I was trying to tell, like, you know how they pre-pluck it, to already make sure. Like, I would probably still do a little bit more plucking on it to make it a little bit more natural. And going through the hair, there were no loose strings. And you know how sometimes when you be going through the bundles, like, it starts really thick at the top and gets really thin at the bottom. It was a little thin at the bottom, but not really. Like, it still had a pretty good density all around. So even when I ran my fingers through it, as you can see right here, I was checking to see if any loose strands would come out. Even if it's all rubber band and banded up, sometimes you can still get hair and it will come out on your hand, and you be like, what is this? But it actually was not like that. So I was checking the density of the hair and to see if any loose strands would come out. So as y'all can see, it is still pretty thick throughout, even towards the end, because, you know, the longer the bundle, you'll be looking like a little rat tail, and you end up having to pack in like 4 or 5 bundles in your head just so you can get that thick, voluminous look. Voluminous, that's not even how you say that. Voluminous, yeah, that sounds better. So yeah, so these bundles are true to length. I'm short, so the 24, I'm 5'3" and a half. I'm gonna throw in that half, so I'm about 5'3" and a half, and that 24 actually comes down to my butt. It comes down to like the top part of my butt. So when I say this is true to length, it is true to length. And I was also looking at the color, because, you know, sometimes you can get hair and it be super dark and it's hard to color it. Now, the only thing I can't tell y'all right now is how well this hair will lift when it's bleached, because I took this hair and I actually colored it red. And y'all will see a video and a picture of it at the end of this video. But I wanted to see like if it colored red or not, because it was kind of dark. So I can't really say if it's really unprocessed, because I know sometimes some hair companies will go over their hair with a darker black color or a dark brown to make the hair look fuller to the naked eye. But it took to the red really well. I'll have to get buy another batch. Matter of fact, I have to order another batch anyways, because my mom said she wants some hair. She said she wants some straight hair for the new year. She trying to be outgrown and stuff. Talking about she wants some blonde. I'm like, oh, okay, mama, I see you. So yeah, so I'll probably do another video to let you guys see how well it colors and if it lifts to a pretty good blonde or not. So right now I am unraveling this bundle just to see like how long it is, because like I said again, sometimes when you order hair that's longer than 20 inches, y'all, the bundles be so short. And I see why people be like, oh yeah, I got 4 bundles in. Yeah, because the daggone bundle's so daggone short. So I can say that, y'all, these bundles were long. Like, if I did not double track my hair, I probably would have only been able to fit in 2 bundles. But I double tracked 2 of the bundles and I single tracked the last bundle, and then I added in the closure. So, and I still had some more hair left over, because y'all, this is a lot of hair. So as y'all can see, like, y'all see how long this bundle is? Like, this bundle is long, y'all. Like, generally for a 24 inch, it would have been half the size. So I will say, yeah, this is pretty good. So thank you guys for checking out my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be bringing you guys more videos for the next, well, talking about the next year. It is already the new year. Yeah, this is just a quick little video so y'all can see how I put it in. This is the color. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I will be bringing you guys more videos for the new year. Thank you guys. Happy New Year. Peace.